Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Women's History Month theme on Instagram. So first you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application by clicking on this update. Once you complete that step, you need to go back and log in into your Instagram account and click on Messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any conversation. Click on the person name on the top and click on theme. From here you need to select Women History Month. Wait for few seconds and now you can see that this theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.